Hello， 你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome back to Smart Mandarin video lesson. This lesson is the first episode of How to Say series. In this series, I'm going to teach you some very common expressions in Mandarin Chinese. So let's get started. How do you say I don't need to or don't need to in Mandarin Chinese? The answer is 不用，不用。用 means use, so no use means no need to. 不用 or you could say 不必，不必 also means no need to. In Taiwan, we say 不用 more often than 不必, but we actually use both. So 不用 no need to or 不必. Now let me give you some examples. Example number 1, 我是台湾人，我不用学中文。I'm a Taiwan person. I don't need to learn Mandarin Chinese because that's my mother tongue. So, 我是台湾人，我不用学中文。我不用学中文。I don't need to learn Mandarin Chinese. But you could also say, 我不必学中文。Okay? I love to use 不用, so let's stick with 不用, okay? So 我不用学中文。And the next example, 台湾人去欧洲不用申请签证。This one is very useful. 台湾人 Taiwanese people 去欧洲 go to Europe 去欧洲不用 don't need to 申请 to apply 申请签证 visa. So Taiwanese people don't need to apply for visa for going to Europe. 台湾人去欧洲不用申请签证 or 台湾人去欧洲不必申请 to apply for 申请签证 visa. Next example, 你不用想那么多 You don't need to think too much. If a person is worrying too much, you can say that to the person. 你不用 you don't have to. 你不用想那么多 You don't have to think too much. 你不用想那么多 or 你不必想那么多你不必想那么多 Okay, so now we learn how to say don't need to or don't have to. How do we say have to? Okay, have to in Mandarin is 得 one word 得 So now you know that have to is 得 but don't have to is not 不得 It is 不用 right? So 得 have to. Example 中国人去欧洲得申请签证。中国人 Chinese people 去欧洲 to go to Europe 得 have to 申请 to apply 签证 visa. So Chinese people go to Europe, they have to apply for a visa. Okay, so one more time. 中国人去欧洲得申请签证。Again, 中国人去欧洲得申请签证。我明天得工作。I have to work tomorrow. 我明天得工作。I tomorrow have to work. 我明天得工作。If you want to download the PDF file of this lesson, you can join me on my Patreon. The link is down below. Or if you want to purchase my courses, you can go to my Teachable platform. The links are all down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. 谢谢你们，再见。